here we are with the new, totally USA made clamps in carbon fiber SimPole. We will use our own clamps made, and the main clamp is a combination of a $25,000 motor, 3D machine, latest technology. And we're going to show you an easier way to raise a pole, and this is a 40-foot pole. So you take the one section up, now what's nice about the pole is the top sections are short. They're only like 3 feet, and if you keep the end on the end of a building, it's easier than doing it for freehand. And the next sections go a little longer, 4 feet. So the idea, that's a perfect trad. The first 2 sections is absolutely perfect, and the first 4 sections are your perfect pole for a home. So you don't only have to use 3 pounds of the pole, and then they expand higher to 5 feet, because the idea is to get up a whole 40 feet. And to freehand this, it's a lot harder, where if you lead it against the building, it's easier.
I can't hold it.
The idea that all SimPoles are made strong. Now normally what you can do at this point, you could bring it against the building, and as you bring it against the building, okay, you can stop, then it gets easier. So bring it up, because normally what you would do, you'd be leaning it against the building. So bring it out. So normally your pole would lean against the building, and then that way all you'd have to do is extend a little bit more. But I just wanted to show you the stiffness of this pole compared to others. It barely, look at that, there's like no movement in it at all. And so if you're going up and down, you want a stiff pole. And this is one of the stiffest poles in the world, with way over 70% ultra high mod, 3K on the outside. So there's a test. We'll get it on the side of a building and show you how we can use it. SimPole, USA made carbon fiber water fed pole.